exercise, question 11.1.3. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. Let's see the figure very quickly. You have been given a circle and which is divided, which is inscribed by a regular hexagon, and the design is this shaded part. The radius of this circumscribed circle is given as 28 centimeters, and then the cost of the design is given, the rate is given as 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. We will require √3, that has been given as 1.7. So how will you calculate the shaded area? You will realize that these 6 parts are exactly identical. So if you calculate one part, then you can multiply by 6, and then you can multiply by the rate, and that will give you the value of the cost. How will you calculate one shaded area? Let's see how it works. Let us consider the shaded area, shaded by yellow, that is the sector, that is a fraction of circle. And if you realize that this is 1/6 of the circle, and the included angle will be 60 degrees because complete circle is 360 degrees. The yellow shaded area will be 1/6 of the complete circle, or the included angle theta will be 60 degrees. So let's see the strategy. First, we'll calculate the area of the sector, which is shown here with yellow color. The formula for area of the sector is theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r square. If pi r square is the complete circle, we have to take appropriate fraction denoted by theta, which is this particular angle, divided by 360 degrees. So first we'll calculate the area of the sector. Then we'll calculate the area of this triangle. We'll subtract the area of the triangle from area of the sector. That should give us this pink shaded area, which is actually behind this yellow shaded area right now. So once we get one particular part of the design, because there are 6 parts, we'll multiply that by 6 times, and then we'll multiply eventually by the rate of the design. That will give us the cost. So this is our process, this is our strategy to find out the final answer. Now let's try to substitute the values. Here the theta included angle is 60 degrees. So the area of the sector will be 60 divided by 360 degrees. Pi value is taken as 22 by 7 because this 28 centimeters is divisible by 7. So that should be our first preference, not 3.14. So if you substitute the values, it will come out to be 1/6 of 22 by 7 times 28 times 28. So that would come out to be, now you can get rid of a factor of 2, that will be 3. So 3 times 7 is 11, and because you are dividing by 2, this will become 11. Now you can further cancel. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and if you do that, eventual answer will come out to be 410.67 centimeters square. That is this yellow shaded area. Now we'll calculate the area of the triangle. This is an equilateral triangle because all 3 sides are identical. Remember, this included angle is 60 degrees. Now, originally it was an isosceles triangle because this is a radius and this is also a radius. So that makes these 2 angles equal. If you subtract 60 degrees, which is this angle, from 180, so that will come out to be 120 degrees to be distributed equally half and half. So that is 60 and 60. That means all 3 angles are 60 degrees. This is an equilateral triangle. The formula for area of an equilateral triangle will be √3 by 4, then r square. Here r is the length of that side. And that would come out to be, √3 value has been given in the question, 1.7. R value is 28. So r square, I'm going to write that as 28 times 28. You can cancel this 4 with 28, 7 will remain. And if you multiply, the answer will come out to be 333.2 centimeters square. Now, The design part, the pink part, only one pink part, that will be the difference between 410 something minus 303.2, that will come out to be 77.47 centimeters square. Since there are 6 such parts, we will multiply this by 6 times, and the area, the overall area will come out to be 464.8 centimeters square. Now, 1 centimeter square is 0.35 rupees. So simply we will multiply this by 0.35 or 35 divided by 100. If you want, you can multiply this by 4648 and shift the decimal point 1 from here and additional 2. So altogether you will shift 3 decimal points to the left, and final answer will come out to be 162 rupees 68 paisa, and that would be your final answer.